Hi everyone, this is Pradeep, and I know that we have made a very exciting release of the Care.Platform Release 8, which includes the Enrollment and Eligibility Suite. So what is Eligibility and Enrollment Suite? What does it do? Every public health program requires people to be tested for eligibility before they can join the program. And then they have to go through the process of enrollment, which includes collection of document, information, and identity. This process is very expensive and it is repeated every year. Last year, 90 million plus Americans enrolled in Medicaid. 90 million, 90. Every one of them had to go through an eligibility and enrollment process. Sometimes it takes days. If you're lucky, it might take only a few weeks, and if you're not lucky, it might take you months to get through the process. Extremely difficult and expensive process for the patient, extremely difficult process for the government, and society pays for it. Billions are spent on this one program enrollment each year just to enroll these 90 million people, and every year the process repeats. So our suite simplifies that process, allows people to enroll throughout the year and to maintain their identity and their privacy, and to do it in a way that protects them while giving the government the right information at the right time. We think that through adoption of the Eligibility and Enrollment Suite, the United States government could save billions a year. And that's just one country, one program. Now, why is Solve.Care the right company to do it? There are so many other companies trying to do this. And the reason is they're all doing it with the old mindset of Web 2 technology. And we are the first truly Web 3 healthcare platform where we allow every individual to own their identity, their data, and even their compute space, which means that capturing life events, managing your identity data, and applying for the right program, and interacting with the program administrator becomes a lot easier. And instead of spending $100 per person per year, government could do it for $2 per person per year. And when you multiply those numbers with 90 million people, the numbers are staggering. So, why Solve.Care can do it better than everybody else? Because we are decentralized. We have a very, very robust identity management, consent management, and a wallet where interaction is peer-to-peer and secure, and where we can easily build care networks that target the right audience and administer it easily. So, everything we've been working on for the last 6 years makes it now possible for us to revolutionize eligibility and enrollment for public health programs around the world. Why now? Very simple reason. The cost of eligibility and enrollment is skyrocketing. We are talking to many governments around the world who are wanting to launch new population health initiatives, and every single initiative, be it diabetes or weight loss or pregnancy management or cancer treatment or geriatric care or home care, requires a robust eligibility and enrollment program because you are spending tax dollars, so you have to make sure that the right people are getting the right care and nobody else is. So every population health initiative around the world, be it in Saudi Arabia or in Senegal, needs an E&E module. And we have launched that module because we have seen demand from a variety of continents, from a variety of governments. So it's very much a need fulfillment, demand fulfillment strategy, leveraging the Care platform to solve very, very big problems that affect hundreds of millions of people. Now, why should you care? Well, it means hundreds of millions of care wallets, because anybody who wants to join a public health program implemented on Care platform would need to download the Care wallet and use it. It means that they will also be able to join other networks that is available to them that are open, let's say the Care Marketplace or any other device networks that we launch. So just because you download the Care wallet to join a public health program also opens up the door to all other types of care, telehealth and prescription management and transportation and so on. So by getting these hundreds of millions of wallets downloaded, we simply create a massive community of patients who also will use every other network we launch. So it's a network effect that we are trying to create, and this E&E solution dramatically amplifies our ability to build massively big network community. Bigger the community, bigger the network, bigger the network, bigger the community. That's what a network effect is, and that's what we are creating. So E&E not only is a revenue producer, and a margin driver for us, it's also a adoption driver for us, which means that more wallets, more token utility, more networks being joined by the same person. And the key metric here is how do we grow the average number of networks per person from 1.x to 3.x, which means every Care wallet holder on average will be participating in 3 networks instead of 1. That's the growth in numbers we are looking for. So E&E program helps us get there. So we are very excited. If you have more questions, get in touch with me, with Mike, with the community members through our Telegram channel, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and we'll be happy to tell you more. But welcome to the future of healthcare, guys.